And who does your offer serve? So this goes back to that avatar. We know who we're trying to serve. We've clarified that. What does it actually bring them? What is that transformation? There's that word again about what is this product or service, the transformation they're going to give to your avatar or to your lead, sales call, whatever you want to call it. So that's the first one. So in that list of little bullets that I had, the first thing we need to do is excite them, the stage before we actually get them to convert. So how are we going to actually give them that wow moment? It's that taking off the iPhone lid off of that box. We have that excitement, don't we, when we know we're opening up a new phone. We want to create that wow moment. So some examples. Back to that ice cream power, we might do a launch. We might do half price on ice creams on a particular day. You're going to get down there, aren't you, if you're into desserts? You might be a competition winner on social media. And going back to our photography days, this is really crazy. The thing that created the wow moment was me sending them this postcard. Thank you, with a little handwritten message saying, thank you so much for trusting us to work with your family. We're really looking forward to welcoming you to the studio and creating some great images for you. That less than £1 thing in the post, as the post is the most expensive bit, would create so much goodwill that they are already excited to come to the studio. I haven't taken a single penny yet. The sale hasn't happened yet. And they're already keen to work with me. That's creating that wow moment. Another thing, again, photography days, was doing an engagement shoot. Because we haven't got to their wedding day yet. That's the big one, the big, risky, scary one. But the engagement shoot gave them that confidence that they're going to be working with the right people on their wedding day. Trust. It's building trust. Right, so how are we going to get them to get excited? Well, we need to convert them, first of all. So how are we actually going to get them to that wow moment? And it's the convert stage. Many people confuse this of thinking converting to a sale. We're not. A convert is actually getting that first little look to what we're doing to get us on that date night. Remember that sequencing thing? We can't just expect to get married. This is getting a date. You know, we're in a room full of people and we know who we are. In a business sense, how do I get a little one-to-one moment with you? How am I going to create that? Because until you have that one-to-one moment, you can't create the wow stage. They don't know what it is yet. So how can we commit? Two ways of doing this in life. We either have lots of time on our hands or we have lots of money. We rarely have the luxury of both. If we do have a moment where we have to choose, personally, I would rather keep my time because we can never get more time back. You know, none of us get out of this gig alive. We're all going. So I'd rather keep the time. Money, we can always get more of. So if I had to choose, I would keep time over money. So how are we going to get that commitment for them to subscribe before we can convert? Well, we need to give them something valuable that's going to get that conversion. How are we going to do that? Because, you know, we're a selfish world. Everybody wants something out of us. Now, I've got to be able to make that contact before they're going to then give me that date night and so on. So some of the ways that you can do this is you might get a newsletter sign up, book a discovery call with you so that you can actually give 15 minutes, half an hour, whatever it might be to see whether you're going to be a good fit. You might be special offers. It might be an invitation to an exclusive event. So for example, today, you know, you've all managed to come to this event and you are here and you're getting additional contact with Chambers, you're getting contact with us. We're getting to know each other a little bit. This is, if you like, our business date night. So we're getting that conversion by you being here. We're on that journey now, potentially. So how are we going to then get them to convert? We're going to have to engage with you in some way. So how did we do it in this instance? You got an email from Chambers and you decided to sign up. And then that's what you hear. So now you can start to see there is an actual sequence to what we've been doing all along.